Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the Lenovo IdeaPad 3i, a sleek and powerful business laptop that aims to strike a balance between performance and affordability. Let's start with the design. Sporting a platinum gray finish, this laptop exudes professionalism, making it a perfect companion for your workday grind. Under the hood, the IdeaPad 3i is equipped with a 10th Gen Intel Core i5-10210U processor, providing enough horsepower to breeze through your daily tasks. With 4 cores and a turbo boost up to 4.20 GHz, multitasking feels smooth, whether you're crunching numbers in Excel or editing presentations in PowerPoint. The 14-inch Full HD display offers crisp visuals, although the TN panel might not deliver the widest viewing angles. Nevertheless, the anti-glare coating ensures comfortable viewing even in brightly lit environments. Paired with Intel UHD graphics, this laptop handles casual gaming and multimedia playback with ease. One standout feature is the generous storage configuration. Boasting a 1TB PCIe NVMe SSD, you'll have ample space to store your files, applications, and media collections. Plus, the inclusion of a 500GB external hard drive sweetens the deal, offering additional storage for backups or on-the-go access to your data. Connectivity-wise, the IdeaPad 3i covers the essentials with 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, and a variety of ports including USB 3.2 Gen 1, USB 2.0, HDMI, and a 4-in-1 card reader. While the absence of a backlit keyboard might disappoint some users, the non-backlit keyboard still provides comfortable typing experience. Now, let's talk about the software side. This laptop comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Professional, offering enhanced security features and productivity tools tailored for business users. Whether you're managing your schedule with Microsoft Office or collaborating with colleagues on Teams, Windows 11 Pro ensures a seamless workflow. In conclusion, the Lenovo IdeaPad 3i 14-inch FHD business laptop delivers a compelling package for professionals seeking performance and reliability without breaking the bank. With its solid build quality, robust specs, and thoughtful extras like the bundled external hard drive, it's a worthy contender in the mid-range laptop market. If you're in the market for a versatile business companion, the IdeaPad 3i deserves a spot on your shortlist. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.